In Chapter 5, we see that the Earth's surface can be changed by wind, water, and people. These changes can affect the Earth's resources. Some essential questions. How does wind move materials over the Earth's surface? What will happen when a river flows over the Earth's surface? How can you distinguish between types of resources? Finally, how can resources be conserved and disposed of? Students will investigate and describe how wind moves soil and rock particles across the Earth's surface. Wind can pick up and carry loose sand, soil, and small pieces of rock. The wind then can drop these particles to make various landforms, such as sand dunes on beaches. The rock formations that are seen in this chapter show how wind wears away portions of rock. Water moves rock and soil. What will happen when a river flows over the Earth's surface? Can moving water change the land? In this lesson, chapter 5 shows that rivers are bodies of water that move across the Earth's surface. Water falls from the sky and collects in oceans, lakes, and rivers. Over time, river water can break rock into smaller particles and carry the particles away, just like wind does. How can we distinguish between types of resources? There are man made resources and there are natural resources. A natural resource is something that comes directly from the earth. Water, soil, and trees are some examples. Another type of resource is called man made resources, such as paper, building bricks, and glass. Students will identify that man made resources come from some natural resources. And finally, we look at reduce, reuse, and recycle. In lesson 4 of chapter 5, students will learn how to conserve resources. When we use resources wisely and not waste them, we can save them for the future. Students will learn how to dispose of trash properly. They will also learn how to conserve resources by following the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Lesson 4 also introduces the chemist that discovered that chemicals were damaging the ozone layer. Mario Molina's work and research granted him the Presidential Medal of Freedom. Essential questions. Coming back and looking at what the students have learned in this chapter, you will see that wind moves material over Earth's surface. They will also see that rivers flow over the Earth's surface and what causes change on the Earth. How can you distinguish between types of resources? And of course, conserving and disposing of trash properly.